The way to develop a successful big data strategy is to focus on actionable objectives rather than simply delivering information. This isn't to say that information isn't useful on its own, but your strategy won't be a winner unless it produces tangible results. To put it another way, in order for there to be any measurable gain, such as a significant ROI, actionable insights need to be the starting point. That means you should begin at the end by identifying what you need to know and what you can actually act upon so you can solve a specific problem or reach a specific objective. From there, you can reverse engineer the process by formulating questions you need to ask of data in order to arrive at the required insights. If your goal is too broad, such as make more money, it's going to be difficult for you to determine what information you need to mine from your data. You also won't be able to pinpoint a specific action to cause a desired result. But if your defined goal is specific, such as increase sales of XYZ product by 16% among the top tier customers group, then you're better prepared to know what you need to search for in both internally and externally imported data in order to achieve your goal. Let's consider the example of increasing sales of XYZ product by 16% among the top tier customers group. To do this, some things you'll need to know are a list of all your top tier customers, a list of your top tier customers who purchased XYZ in the past, a list of your top tier customers who purchased products similar to XYZ in the past, and a list of top customers who have never purchased XYZ but have purchased similar or related products. You will also need an analysis of the common characteristics and triggers among top tier customers who bought XYZ and similar products. This can then help you identify other top-tier customers in general who share the same characteristics and high conversion rate to the same triggers. Plus, you will need to know how XYZ compares with competing products in the mare and with overall trends currently. This can then help predict the salability of XYZ. Further data you will need includes which price points sold the most units of XYZ historically, as well as which price points of products similar to XYZ sold the most units, which price points sold XYZ well in the past, and also delivered the best profit margin, and which price points slowed sales of XYZ. Were these price points the only problem, or were there other circumstances that affected sales? Further information that will be helpful could include what seasons, weather, and other external factors affected sales of XYZ both positively and negatively, which salespersons in stores currently are selling the most XYZ, and what commonalities they have, such as pricing, ad campaigns, in-store merchandising, weather, sales incentives, and so on, and metrics on which website positioning sold the most XYZ historically. Finally, you should have comparatives on all A/B and multivariate testing regarding or impacting XYZ's online sales, a comparison of past ad and marketing campaigns relevant to XYZ sales, and data on how loyalty programs affected XYZ sales and similar products historically. This can help you determine if a new loyalty tie-in is required to sell XYZ today. Using analytics in order to explore new ideas and discover and address new issues and opportunities is done much in the same way. It begins with a what if or why is this so question and reverse engineers itself to identify the answers you need to mine more from the data. Even if the answer isn't always actionable, the knowledge you gain will usually be useful in other actionable situations. Once you understand what questions need to be answered, you can effectively mine the data. When you find the answers to those and other relevant questions, it can provide you with an accurate view of what action you need to take to get the result you want. I hope you enjoy what you learned today. Check back weekly for updated videos and lessons, or better yet, click the subscribe button below to get more of these educational videos as they come out.